Have you ever been thinking about doing something, starting a project, a business, or even going to the gym, but you keep waiting and waiting and never actually start? Then someone tells you, just get the ball rolling. But what does that really mean? Today, I'll show you exactly what this idiom means, when Americans use it, and how you can use it naturally in everyday English. Let's get started. So what does get the ball rolling mean? Let's break it down. Imagine a ball at the top of a hill. At first, it's not moving. Nothing is happening. But once you push it, it starts rolling, it gains momentum, it becomes easier to continue. In everyday English, get the ball rolling means to start something, to begin a process, to take the first step, or to get things moving. Let's look at some real-life examples. Imagine you and your team need to start a new project, but everyone is just talking, planning, waiting. Nothing is happening. So you say, all right, let's get the ball rolling. This means let's stop waiting and start. So a quick story for you. When I decided that I was going to start my YouTube channel, or let me take a step back, when I was thinking about starting my YouTube channel, I had to think, how am I going to record my videos? Do I have the right lighting? How am I going to edit my videos? How am I going to find the time to do this? There's all these moving pieces that I had to figure out. Many times with a lot of people that want to actually create a YouTube channel, they never get around to it because there are so many things to do and you get overwhelmed. In my instance, I said, you know what? I don't have all the answers, but you know what? I'm going to get the ball rolling. I'm going to begin. I'm going to start this process. Now imagine you want to plan an event, but no one has done anything yet. So you send the first message, you make the first call, and say, I'll get the ball rolling. This means I'll start the process. Now imagine you want to get in shape, but you keep delaying. Then one day you say, let me just get the ball rolling. So you start going to the gym. You start small, and that's how it begins. So to make this super simple, to get the ball rolling means to start something. That first step is the most important. Once you start, everything becomes easier. I want you to be careful. Don't use this when something is already moving. For example, you wouldn't say, everything is already working well, let's get the ball rolling. No, you only use this at the beginning. Another quick tip is it doesn't mean finish, it only means start. Now, let's work on your pronunciation. Repeat after me. Get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling. For more idioms in English, make sure to take a look in the description below where I have included my playlist.